For generations, the kitchen has been the heart of the home, a place of warmth, tradition, and the comforting aroma of a home-cooked meal. But let's be honest, for many, that idyllic image often crumbles under the weight of reality. The daily grind leaves little time for culinary artistry, transforming cooking from a joy into a chore. The constant question, "What's for dinner?" looms large, often leading to takeout or repetitive, uninspired meals. But what if the answer to our culinary conundrums wasn't more effort, but less? What if the future of our meals wasn't in human hands at all? Quietly, a revolution has been simmering, not in a pot, but in lines of code and advanced robotics. Imagine a kitchen where precision is paramount, waste is minimized, and every dish is crafted to perfection, all without lifting a finger. Our modern lives are a constant juggle. We crave healthy, nutritious food, but time is a luxury. This often leads to a troubling paradox. We waste a staggering amount of food, nearly a third globally, while simultaneously struggling to eat well. The average person spends hours each week planning, shopping, and preparing meals, only to often fall short of their health goals. There has to be a better way. This is where artificial intelligence steps in, transforming our kitchens from mere cooking spaces into intelligent ecosystems. AI isn't just about robots, it's about smart planning, personalized nutrition, and effortless execution. It's about having a virtual sous chef, dietitian, and grocery manager, all rolled into one, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. At the core of this transformation is AI's ability to learn and adapt. Imagine an AI that understands your unique dietary goals, allergies, and even your mood. It analyzes your activity levels, sleep patterns, and biometric data, then crafts hyper-personalized meal plans. It's like having a nutritionist meticulously designing every dish, ensuring you meet your fiber, protein, and micronutrient needs effortlessly. The smart kitchen extends beyond meal planning. Your refrigerator, equipped with Vision AI and sensors, can now track every ingredient. It knows exactly what you have, what's about to expire, and even suggests recipes based on your current inventory, dramatically reducing food waste. This interconnectedness means no more forgotten leftovers or last-minute grocery runs. Then comes the actual cooking. While the idea of a robot chef might sound like science fiction, it's quickly becoming reality. Robotic arms, equipped with advanced manipulation capabilities, can perform complex tasks from chopping and stirring to frying and plating with unparalleled consistency and speed. They ensure every dish is cooked to the same high standard, eliminating human error and guaranteeing a perfect result every time. The true power lies in the integration. AI-powered ovens scan food and cook it to perfection without manual input. Smart dishwashers optimize water usage. All these devices communicate, creating a symphony of automation. You can even control your entire kitchen remotely, preheating your oven or checking your fridge inventory from anywhere. The implications go far beyond convenience. AI-native meal prep actively combats food waste, a major contributor to climate change, by optimizing inventory and reducing spoilage. It promotes healthier eating habits by providing precise nutritional control and personalized recommendations. This isn't just about making life easier, it's about a more sustainable, healthier future for all of us. So, as our kitchens become smarter, what does it mean for our relationship with food? Will we lose the art of cooking, or will AI free us to explore new culinary horizons, unburdened by the mundane? While AI may not replicate the intuitive taste and smell of a human chef yet, it promises a future where nutritious, delicious, and sustainable meals are accessible to everyone. The kitchen is evolving, and with it, perhaps, our very definition of what it means to eat well. The future, it seems, is on the menu.